Looks like the internet is on full wedding detective mode again. Fans have been buzzing about the Rashmika Mandanna and Vijay Deverakonda wedding rumors, and the excitement has only skyrocketed after some fresh viral videos surfaced over the weekend. This time, the rumors are all about Udaipur's majestic city palace. Let's break it down. Several videos started making rounds on Instagram showing what appeared to be elaborate wedding preparations at the iconic venue. One video, shared by Instagram user Kriti Pahwa on 2nd February, gave fans a sneak peek into what's going on behind the scenes. She captioned the post, "Wedding preparations for Rashmika and Vijay. Palace will be closed today after 1 p.m. In the video, you can spot workers setting up massive chandeliers, floral decorations, and grand stages across the palace grounds. Another user added more fuel to the fire with a casual comment in Hindi, "City Palace देखने आए थे, Rashmika and Vijay Deverakonda की marriage preparation देख के आ गए." Clearly, fans are convinced something big is brewing here. Earlier reports hinted that the couple might tie the knot around 26th February, but of course, there's been no official word from either Rashmika or Vijay. That hasn't stopped the speculation though. If these wedding rumors turn out to be true, City Palace would be a truly stunning venue. Located on the eastern banks of Lake Pichola, City Palace is nearly 400 years old and stands as the largest palace complex in Rajasthan. Famous for its Rajput architecture, panoramic lake views, and historic grandeur, it's the perfect setting for a royal wedding. Overlooking landmarks like Lake Palace, Jag Mandir, and the Monsoon Palace, this palace is a favorite for royal weddings and cinematic moments alike. While nothing has been confirmed yet by either actor, reports say the couple got engaged in October 2025 in a private ceremony at Vijay's residence in Hyderabad. They've always kept their relationship low-key, leaving fans to connect the dots over the years since their hit films, Geetha Govindam and Dear Comrade. So, will Rashmika and Vijay make it official in Udaipur? We'll just have to wait and see. But one thing's for sure, the fans can't stop talking about it. What do you think? Let us know in the comments below.